that harmony in there. We don't play.
I have no idea where any of my family members are. We have our walkies and everything because I just tried to upload my very last snap and it failed, which means we're too far away. I don't have no service. We're using our walkies. I'm trying to find people. I don't know where they at. I'm on 5 by Michael Kors. We found the carousel and she's on an ostrich. Mine is it's a lion. Yo, it's a bunch of grown people on this carousel right now. Okay, so I just got off the carousel and I thought that this is kind of cool. So it's like the horses as they're being made. So it starts off like this one. It's like just the wood. Next one, they carve it out. They have the hands carving it and they have the designs and everything. They have this one, it's still carving, but it's a little bit more. And then they added the paint at the top. There's more painting. And then this is the final thing. It's really cool. It reminds me of like when I do my makeup. I'm about to use this.
You ready here, ma'am?
Yeah. Can I get the escargot?
Escargot, yes. Main course, ma'am.
Oh, we doing everything at once?
Yes, please.
Oh, wow. Okay. Salmon.
All right. Dessert?
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake. Got you, ma'am.
Yeah, I got the escargot. Trying it for the first time. Okay, I'm about to try a snail. Look.
We're trying escargot for the first time.
Yeah, I hope it's good. I can't, like, when you phrase it as escargot, it's like, oh, I can eat that.
It sounds
it's like
fancy,
snail,
and
and
then you
it's
find
like-
out snail, you're like,
What?
you get it. Escargot.
Oh my gosh. I need to stop. I'm thinking of like SpongeBob. The snail.
Ah, Gary.
He left slime everywhere. Okay, let's stop. I'm gonna stop talking about it now. I just had to get it out. This snail better be hopping.
Instagram.
Thank you. Oh my god.
Thank you.
The mushroom soup. Thank you.
Okay, wait. Y'all gotta see what this looks like. This is what it looks like. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look good.
Wait, which one did you Oh, this is the dessert one.
I don't know.
Please, thank you.
Do you want me to try first?
Do it first?
We can all try it. How do I even eat this?
Pick up the snail. Yeah.
She said pick up the snail.
It is. Pick it up. Look, this is it.
It's good. I'm scared.
No, it's actually lit.
Is it good? Is this the snail right here?
Now I can say I tried it.
Is that cheese or something?
Just eat it. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. Sorry, just chew it.
No. It's actually good.
Just chew it.
You don't like it?
Because you're thinking about what it is.
Yeah.
Just chew it.
This tastes like mushroom, girl. You should know.
I don't like mushrooms.
That's not mushroom. There's no mushroom in
I
there.
said
She said it tastes like mushroom. I don't like it.
Well,
At least I can say, yeah, at least I can say I tried it. But I won't be trying it again.
That's it. And that's what it's about for life expectancy. You tried it. That's it.
I'm about to say. Anyway.
Mom,
That calamari is busted.
I just ate a snail. Yeah, it was nasty.
It was good.
So like it has, no, it didn't come with anything. So it has like, these are all the little like holes or whatever where the snails were.
The what? I mean,
It was nasty. I'm not eating that again.
what?
About to tear this up so I can get that snail taste out my mouth.